While Tobago and Trinidad are no longer under a coral bleaching alert, there is concern that weakened corals may now be more vulnerable to stony coral disease. The disease is present in the Caribbean but has not yet been detected in Trinidad and Tobago. However, the Institute of Marine Affairs is preparing to respond if and when it reaches local reefs. More in this report from Kandace Jackson.
2024's coral bleaching event was devastating for Tobago's reefs, impacting nearly everyone. Some critical corals suffered 100% mortality due to unusually high sea temperatures. In recent months, temperatures have returned to normal, giving corals a small chance to recover. However, Deputy Chairman of the IMA, Dr. Rohana Juman, warns that an even greater concern remains.
We are still monitoring to see what happens in terms of recovery and so forth, but our concern would be, of course, disease. Coral disease is coming in because the reefs are now more susceptible as they're stressed.
Stony coral disease is a fast-spreading infection that affects hard corals, causing tissue loss and eventually killing them. It spreads through the water and can devastate coral reefs. Scientists suspect bacteria may be responsible, but the exact cause is still unknown. Pollution and human activities worsen the problem. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the disease was first detected in Florida in 2014 before rapidly spreading across the Caribbean.
We have not observed it, or we have no confirmation of it here in Trinidad, but we know it's right in Grenada. So we're preparing for its arrival, sort of, right? Or being prepared in the event that we see it, we could treat with it.
Dr. Juman shared that two of their ecologists, Dr. Anjani Ganesh and Hannah Lochan, received training in Colombia through the Perry Institute of Marine Science to respond effectively if stony coral disease is detected in Tobago.
Coral reef ecologists at the IMA, they would have gotten a small grant from the Specially Protected Area and Wildlife Protocol, the SPOR protocol, to basically get some training on stony coral tissue loss disease. That's a new disease that is attacking corals in the region.
The IMA hopes that training combined with early detection will give them a fighting chance against the disease. However, they worry about the devastation it could cause if it spreads to Tobago's reefs. Destroyed reefs could leave coastlines vulnerable to rough seas and impact fish populations. In the meantime, they urge marine users to disinfect dive gear and equipment after each use, dive on only one reef at a time, and avoid touching corals. Additionally, reducing polluted runoff from drains into the sea can help prevent the disease from taking hold. Kandace Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.